Yes, yes. So, Abhi, as an audience and as a member of this community, I feel short films they are made and they are bunched together and released as one big featurette. So there is no real platform like say how we have movie where these movies can get released and found distributed and
I agree
appreciated.
with you. I
Yeah.
agree with you.
Before we move on to films and OTT, one thing I'd like to mention is Interior Cafe Night में there's a shot where the beautifully juxtaposed होता है between the old couple and the new couple. I love the way it's done, the way it's acted
Thank you.
and
Thank you. I'll
directed.
convey to the director.
Yeah, so I was going to ask you that in Mumbai lockdown, you worked with Madhur Bhandarkar and Tashkent Files में with Vivek Agnihotri, and उसके बाद में आपका एक resurgence रहा है movies में. So, what are your latest projects? Anything latest that you're working on?
I am. There is a film जो अभी लास्ट ईयर दिसंबर में हमने शूट की है, विष्णु गुप्ता ने डायरेक्ट की है.
Okay.
He assisted Christopher Nolan on Tenet for the
Wow.
India schedule, and
Okay.
he's worked with Meera Nair, and he's made some couple of short films and documentaries, and is
Okay.
a lovely person. तो उन्होंने एक फिल्म बनाई है. It's called it's tentatively titled The Sound of Violet,
Okay.
और it's about an artist and an art manager, और एक आर्टिस्ट है जो बिहार से उदयपुर आते हैं, और उनकी जर्नी के बारे में है, जिसे अभिनव झा प्ले कर रहे हैं, जो गामक घर, धूम, पोखर के धूम
Okay.
पार,
Okay.
बहुत कमाल के एक्टर, अच्छी फिल्में करते हैं.
Yeah.
तो सो ही एंड अभिनव नायर इन दैट फिल्म विच इज डायरेक्टेड बाय विष्णु. तो वो एक फिल्म है जो पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन में है इस वक्त, और एक सीरीज है जो अभी अभी इस साल रिलीज हो जाएगी. एंड देयर आर कपल ऑफ अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स, दो सीरीज है एक्चुअली जो रिलीज पे है, एंड
Okay.
देयर आर अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट आर इन द पाइपलाइन फॉर शूट.
Great, great. Looking forward to all of them. So, ये Sound of Violet, this is a English language film or a Hindi language?
हिंदी. हिंदी.
Hindi. Okay, okay, great. So coming on to this list of actors and directors जो अभी के सिनारियो में है, so who are your favorite ones? Who are the list of actors and directors that you would like to work with?
डायरेक्टर्स एंड एक्टर्स जिनके साथ मैं काम करना चाहती हूँ, uh, I can tell you directors and actors I admire a lot. Hopefully, I would love to work with them as well. I would love to work with Zoya Akhtar. I
Yeah.
would, um, I would love to work with Farhan Akhtar. I am a big fan of Fahad Fasil. I'd love to work
Oh,
with
yeah.
him.
Yeah.
I'd love to work with Lee Jo.
That's
He's,
beautiful. Yeah.
yeah, he's a very good director. So, और yeah, there's so many other filmmakers
So
and
many.
actors I
Yeah.
really admire. I'd love to work with Konkana Sen Sharma. I
Unkira
think
Sen
she's
Sharma.
a
Yeah.
lovely actor and a lovely filmmaker. She's a lovely
Yes,
filmmaker
yes.
as well. तो हाँ, ये दो तीन एकदम टॉप ऑफ द हेड नाम आ रहे हैं. इनको मैं बहुत डीपली एडमायर करती हूँ,
Yeah,
और इनका
yeah.
काम बहुत पसंद करती हूँ. मैं विशाल जी के साथ दोबारा काम करना चाहूंगी,
Yeah, yeah.
because after Makri, obviously over the years I've seen all his works, and
Yeah.
I love him so much as a human, as a personally and professionally also.
Yes.
Um, internationally, actors, मुझे एंथनी हॉपकिंस, मुझे विलियम डेफो, मुझे टिल्डा स्विंटन,
Yeah.
मुझे आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ नैटली पोर्टमैन, एंड आई एम फॉरगेटिंग हर नेम. शी वाज इन जीरो डार्क 30.
The second Austin?
That's right, जेसिका चास्टेन.
Yeah, yeah,
आई
yeah,
लव
yeah.
जेसिका चास्टेन. इनफैक्ट उस दिन
She's
मैंने
good. Yeah.
डार्क फीनिक्स फिर से देखा, एंड शी इज सो गुड.
Yeah.
शी
She's
इज
good.
सो
She's
गुड,
good.
even in Good Nurse, and
Yeah.
the one that she won the Academy for, um, Tammy
Yeah.
Faye.
Right, right. It was a
She was
some kind of Indian film. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
she was so good in it. She was
So
so
good, so
good in
good.
it. And Mads Mikkelsen, I'm a huge Mads Mikkelsen
Yeah,
fan.
he's good. He's
Another
good.
Round is such a good film.
Yeah, yeah.
And He was so good in even the Bond series with Daniel Craig. जब
It
उनकी
was
entry
great.
होती है, you just
It was really
he's
good.
so good. He's
Yeah,
so
very,
good.
very good.
Javier Bardem, Penelope Cruz, yeah, so many. मुझे Kiarostami,
Yeah,
I'm a huge Abbas Kiarostami film. किस्लोस्की मुझे बहुत पसंद है. उनकी
yeah.
सारी फिल्में मुझे बहुत बहुत बहुत
बहुत बहुत
पसंद है.
ब्यूटीफुल है.
तो या
And
या
those three
बहुत और
colors
भी
का जो
बहुत सारे
scene was
नाम
like,
है
yeah,
मुझे. थ्री कलर्स और डबल लाइफ ऑफ वेरोनिका.
beautiful,
या तो
beautiful.
इवन इवन इफ यू सी हिज द 10 फिल्म्स
Yeah,
डेकालॉग, अगर आप
the
देखते हैं,
color, yeah, beautiful, beautiful. तो
क्लास
ये,
अपार्ट.
yeah, yeah. तो ये इंटरनेशनल या इंटरनेशनल मूवीज में आप like have you like try to make any inroads in that in terms of working in international movies?
वेल आई वुड लव टू डू गुड फिल्म्स, चाहे वो
Yeah,
किस भी लैंग्वेज की हो. मतलब
correct, correct,
इंडिया में भी बंगाली, मराठी, मलयालम, हिंदी. बाहर के हो तो इंग्लिश हो या कोई
correct,
और लैंग्वेज
correct,
के हो. बट या कोई ऐसा ambition, as I said, I don't treat cinema
correct,
like an ambition. I want to do good work, वो चाहे कहीं से भी आए, हिंदुस्तान से,
right,
हिंदुस्तान के बाहर से.
yeah. One of the separate films that are now being made down south, like you rightly said, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, like they're making very good movies, both in
Kantara is
terms
so good.
of Kantara, right?
What a
And
film.
even on a smaller level, they're making beautiful movies, right? In terms of
Yeah,
scripts. Even this
yeah.
week, we have two releases in Tamil, which are very small scale movies, but made so
Which are the
beautifully.
films?
So one is Pottukali by
Okay.
T.S. Vinod. Uh,
हाँ.
so that's a movie which has got no background score. It's only got sound design. It's when I saw the trailer, it looks great. And another is a movie by Mari Selvaraj, who directed movies like Karnan with Dhanush. So
Got it.
his next movie Viral, called Viral, which means plantain. So
So these are released in cinema and theaters.
I think it's this week, yes, yes.
Oh, this week. Oh, lovely.
So any plans to work with these upcoming directors because
I would absolutely,
yeah, yeah,
absolutely.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Right. Right. So let's talk about your OTT journey. So I think you are a part of Jubilee and then Criminal Justice and then Tribune Mishra CA Topper. I saw all the 10 episodes and it's one of the quirkiest series that I've seen and
Thank you.
done so well, done so well. And your character especially, right? I mean, so Tuba, I mean, she's a homemaker, but then we get to see that she's a lot more than what we see initially, right? And she's got a lot more skills. So I was saying that I especially liked that scene where you and Manish Kaul's character are in that builder's place and a shootout happens.
Yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
and then you end up with the gun and you end up saving everybody. And it's such a lovely scene. And this was a series that could have gone so wrong in the wrong actors or the makers' hands, but it was all done so well in terms of the making. So, how was your experience on this? How did you back the role? And
Wonderful experience, great team, and the credit for that goes to Puneet Krishna, who's the writer and showrunner of,
yeah,
also the co-producer. And उनकी मैं बहुत admirer हूँ. उन्होंने तो मिर्जापुर भी बहुत कमाल बनाया था शो.
yeah, yeah,
And the director Amrit Raj Gupta, Anuj, all the co-actors जो हमारे action director थे, Prateek. So it was designed very well. So as an actor, obviously you're very excited when you're watching something. Uh, as I said, for me it's very important to relate to it, connect with it as an audience because I'm such a movie buff and
yeah,
I mean, I love cinema and I like to watch. So मेरे लिए जब मैं ये पढ़ रही थी, जब ये सीन नरेट होता, I wanted to watch it.
yeah, yeah.
So I really wanted to, give it all. And I'm glad that it's turned out well, and people are, in fact, वो scene की तो मतलब, I meet people and people talk about that a lot. So yeah,
Yeah.
feels good.
It's done really well. Yeah.
Thank
तो
you.
OTT में अभी क्या lined up है आपके इसमें? Are you
I
working on
can't talk
anything new?
about it. I can't
Okay,
talk
okay,
about it right now, but
okay,
yeah,
okay.
couple of projects, two, three projects lined up for release.
Okay, okay, okay. So we talked briefly about short films and that format, right? So what do you think about social media as a platform, right? I mean, everybody is leveraging it differently. And do you think that social media will eventually become a platform to release very small films, micro films, films that
What
will
film?
be
What? Sorry, short films.
very short films, like, micro films on social media, on,
Short film is a short film. Anything that's under 40 minutes is a short film. It could be
yeah,
30
yeah,
seconds, 1 minute. There are short films that have won awards जो 30 seconds और 1 minute का भी आपने 1 minute में अपनी कहानी बता
एक
दी.
मिनट में, करेक्ट, करेक्ट,
हाँ, तो short films are short films. So I hope it grows in India, and I think there is a certain segment of audience who really like it. My short film that I have written and directed that should release very soon.
yeah,
Um, तो जब वो रिलीज होगा शायद हम दोबारा कनेक्ट करेंगे उसके बारे में बात करेंगे.
absolutely,
But
yeah,
I really want to encourage people to make short films because it's a great test for you
yes,
because you're making something in limited budget, but at the same time don't use it as a stepping stone.
mm,
It's a cinema. It is cinema. It's still
correct,
storytelling. For me, retake is not a stepping stone.
mm,
मैंने इतने साल काम किया एज एन एक्टर एंड डायरेक्टिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. अगर वो कहानी मैंने 50 मिनट की लिखी होती है एंड आई ऑल्सो रोट द स्टोरी स्क्रीन प्ले एंड डायलॉग्स, बट अगर वो मैंने 25 पेज की कहानी लिखी है, लेकिन
देखिए
अगर वो 40-45 पेज की अगर मैंने कहानी लिखी होती तो 50 मिनट की फिल्म बनती.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट,
बट मैंने कहानी उतनी लिखी थी. इट टर्न आउट टू बी अ शॉर्ट फिल्म. इट वाज अ 3 डे शूट. शायद वो 10 दिन का शूट होता. बट इफ आई माई इंटेंशन इज टू मेक इट, आई वुड हैव gone out and made, I would have arranged the money, the finance, the capital for 10 days. I would have managed it for 10 days. I would have done the same thing that I did for those 10, 15, 30 days, whatever. So I'm saying
understood,
short film is still a film. It's still a story format only. तो उसे as a stepping stone ना अगर हम देखें, because a lot of people treat it like a stepping stone कि ये मेरा testing the waters है,
that's correct,
which is not a bad thing to do, but उस वजह से काफी लोग उस चीज का एडवांटेज, मतलब how do I say it, people उस चीज को फिर वो तवज्जो, उस वैल्यू नहीं मिलता.
नहीं, नहीं मिलता है,
फिर आप उसको कहीं भी डाल देते हैं. फिर आप उसका यूट्यूब लिंक बना के अपने दोस्तों में दिखा देते हैं. बट इफ
mm,
यू टेक इट सीरियसली लाइक यू टेक सीरियसली अ फीचर फिल्म,
correct, correct,
you will, as producers also, not just for filmmakers, I'm sure filmmakers सीरियसली लेते हैं अपने काम को, ऐसा नहीं वो भी उनका
yeah,
काम
yeah,
ही है. बट आई थिंक अगर प्रोड्यूसर्स भी उस चीज को एज अ, मोर देन डायरेक्टर्स, अगर प्रोड्यूसर्स उस चीज को एज अ टेस्टिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट ना देखें, एज
yeah, yeah,
अ शॉर्ट फिल्म ना देखें. ये तो स्टूडेंट्स बनाते हैं फिल्म,
right, right,
फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स के लिए, फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट्स पे. इट इज अ सिनेमा. तो वो शायद आगे जाके प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे और जोर दें, शायद वो ज्यादा फिल्म बनाए. जैसे तादाद बढ़ेगी, वॉल्यूम बढ़ेगा,
वैसे,
व्यू बने, वैसे वो होगा. It's as simple as that. The more you see, the more you explore, the more you get hungry for it. So I think
वैसे,
वो,
story, the plot point, I mean, the plot that should decide the format, right? Format.
absolutely,
Yeah, yeah.
absolutely. It's not like मैंने अभी हाल ही में एक फिल्म, हाल ही तो नहीं, 1-1.5 साल पहले एक फिल्म देखी थी जो मुझे लगा खिंचा हुआ है. डेढ़ घंटे
Mm,
2 घंटे तक.
correct,
And I
correct,
spoke to the filmmaker and I spoke to the
mm,
producers. They said हाँ, वो एक्चुअली 40 पेज का लिखा था. इट वॉज अ शॉर्ट फिल्म.
correct, correct,
द स्टूडियो वांटेड अ फीचर फिल्म, तो दे फ्लेश्ड इट आउट और उसको
हाँ,
खींच के फीचर बना.
ठीक,
बट वो दिख रहा है. आपने
correct,
बेकार के सीन्स ऐड किए हैं.
खींचे
आपने
हुए हैं उसको,
बेकार का ट्रैक ऐड किया. आपने बेकार का खींचा हुआ है. आपने सीन्स रिपीट किए हुए हैं.
correct, correct,
So I'm saying, so again, the studio wanted that, the producers wanted
yeah,
that.
yeah,
It could have been a 30-minute short film और वो बहुत अच्छी बनती.
अच्छी बनती। तो अभी हम काफी देख रहे हैं कि ओटीटी है, मूवीज है, लोग इस फॉर्मेट को उस फॉर्मेट में बदल देते हैं और
Yeah,
स्टूडियो
so I
के
think that's
पीछे,
also studio producer platform thing also. So it's also, that needs to be done because I don't think audience does not want it. अब audience को
करेक्ट,
दिखाओगे तो जरूर लेगी.
हाँ,
ऑडियंस को थोड़ी ना के ड्रामा पता था कि कोरिया में कितने अच्छे ड्रामाज बन
करेक्ट,
रहे हैं और स्पेनिश और ईरानियन फिल्में बन
करेक्ट,
रही हैं. वो तो बहुत अ, कम लोगों को पता था. और हाँ, It's very good that more people know about it.
Right,
But
right.
OTT आया, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन प्लेटफॉर्म आया, वो हुआ तब जाके लोगों को पता चला। तो आपको आप बताएंगे ही नहीं लोगों को तो कैसे पता चलेगा? So I think it's the same
Yeah.
with short films and documentaries. And also people categorize it as boring. People
Yeah.
categorize it as, because again, that is something that people have fed into audience mind
Yeah. Yeah.
कि आप कमर्शियल हिंदी फिल्म देख रहे हो तो दिमाग घर पे छोड़ के आओ। इट्स अ माइंडलेस एंटरटेनर। films that go to film festivals and that are
Mhm.
वो इंटेलेक्चुअल है और वो आपको
Yeah. Yeah.
समझने में इट्स वेरी बोरिंग। मंजूमल बॉयज इज नॉट बोरिंग, हेलो।
Not at all. Yeah. Yeah.
आवेशम इज नॉट बोरिंग।
Yeah. Yeah.
A lot of films that you see at film festivals are not boring. They're
Yeah. Yeah.
funny. They're
Yeah.
intelligently made. There are a lot of documentaries that are far more entertaining, far more engaging
Correct. Correct.
than a lot of well promoted films. So I think
Yeah. Yeah.
it's just a way of feeding and manipulating your audience into your business. But again, I think we need more producers, more प्लेटफॉर्म्स जो ऑडियंस की तरह सोचते हैं, जो ज्यादा
Correct.
फिल्में देखते हैं, तो उन्हें समझ में आएगा दैट यू कैन
Correct. Correct.
मेक योर ऑडियंस आल्सो एक्सप्लोर इट। आई थिंक
But
दैट्स इट।
अभी भी लेकिन ये फॉर्मेट और ये वाले डिसीजन आते हैं सिर्फ स्टूडियो इन प्रोड्यूसर लेवल या वो क्रिएटिवली ड्राइव होते हैं ये डिसीजन कभी भी इंडस्ट्री में?
आई डोंट नो दैट आई डोंट नो दैट आई कैन स्पीक ओनली फॉर रीटेक क्योंकि वो
या
मैंने
या
बनाया है। तो अपलॉज प्रोड्यूस्ड इट एंड एज
या
दे वर वेरी सपोर्टिव
या या
एंड क्रिएटिवली उन्होंने मुझे काफी फ्रीडम दी। आई हैड द फ्रीडम टू मेक द फिल्म द वे आई वांटेड टू मेक इट। इट्स आल्सो देयर फर्स्ट शॉर्ट फिल्म। So they
या
were also sort of, and I had made like Interior Cafe, I had done short films
या
before.
या या
So they were also relying on me in the format sense, but of
हाँ
course they had their suggestions, they
राइट
had
राइट
their inputs, and they had their things to say as studios. But they were amazing with me. मुझे जैसे अपनी फिल्म बनानी थी, जो मुझे टेक्निकल क्रू चाहिए था, जो मुझे एक्टर्स चाहिए थे, I had complete freedom. I got super lucky with Retake. Like
हम्म
right from Anupam Kher sir to Danish Hussain to Zarina Wahab to
या
my technical team, which had Ram Sampath doing the music and
या
Aarti Bajaj has edited it. Uday Singh Moite, who shot Tashkent Files, has shot it.
राइट
And Rasool Pukati has done the sound design. So I got
ओह
super,
अमेजिंग
super lucky with, yeah, I got super lucky with
द
probably
क्रू एंड या
the best team you
अमेजिंग
can have as a first time filmmaker. तो वो फ्रीडम मुझे ना सिर्फ अपलॉज से बट अक्रॉस बोर्ड फ्रॉम माय कास्ट एंड क्रू मिला था। एंड तो ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसा नहीं होता है।
या या
बट बट ऑल्सो आई वॉज वेरी वेरी क्लियर व्हाट आई वांटेड। आई वाज एक्सट्रीमली क्लियर बिकॉज आई रोट इट। आई
करेक्ट
डिड द
करेक्ट
स्टोरी बोर्ड, तो मैंने स्केच किया था। एवरी शॉट इज पेंटेड एंड
या
स्केच्ड। And amazing collaborators. They came on board and they only enhanced my story. They only made, उन्होंने उस फिल्म को अपना फिल्म बना के they made it their story.
या
At
या
no point it was like it's a short film and she's making it for the first time. It was a project for Aarti, for Rasool, for Anupam sir, for
फॉर
anyone
एवरीबॉडी
and
या
everyone at Applause. It was a project. तो
या
वो प्रोजेक्ट का स्टेटस देना शॉर्ट फिल्म को, वो बहुत जरूरी है।
correct but more importance and we keep it's the same as anything like you said right
Exactly. It's like any other film. So वो प्रोजेक्ट स्टेटस देना बहुत जरूरी है।
so I think when you're writing and directed this do you think the filmmaker is a better director when they write their own stories when they interpret their own
I
screen
don't, I don't know that. I don't know that.
okay
Yeah, I think that's very subjective.
that's
Very
absolutely
subjective.
true right so what we said previously even films that do well at festivals could be really fun films right? Because I think
Have you
the
seen
one that
One Cut of the Dead?
no I've not seen that yet no
You must watch One Cut of the Dead.
okay
It's
okay
so good. We watched it at Mami और उसके बाद मैंने घर पे screenings की at my film club and मैंने 2-3 बार देखी. It's one of the most entertaining films ever.
Yeah. I mean, this because I think the one that we followed the Palm Film Festival quite closely, and the one that won the Palm d'Or, I think it's a very fun film. It's a small film, again done by an independent filmmaker. I don't remember his name, but he did the Florida
Anatomy
project.
of a Fall.
No, that was the
Anatomy of a
previous
Fall
year.
released last year. Yeah.
No, that was the
This year.
previous year. This year, the filmmaker who made the Florida project, if you watched that, starring William
Oh,
Dafoe.
Sean Baker. Sean
Florida
Baker.
Project.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
Florida Baker's
He made
his
Tangerine and Florida Project. Yes.
no, so his new film actually won the Palme d'Or at Cannes this year. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
right.
And that's supposed to be a fun film. It's a fun film with lots of entertainment and
Absolutely.
yeah. So definitely, we should categorize films in our audience's thoughts also.
Yeah.
Right. So great. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for doing this. It was great discussing everything with you, short films,
Thank
films, all of it. And wish you all the very best for your film retake, right? And hope we get to connect again for your future projects as well.
you. I hope so too. Thank you so much.